Introduction. Welcome to Bike Empire. Today we're talking about one of India's most trusted commuter motorcycles, the Hero HF Deluxe. Known for simplicity, efficiency, and everyday reliability, this bike has been a favorite for years. Design and styling. The Hero HF Deluxe features a clean and practical design with subtle graphics, a comfortable seat, and a lightweight frame. Its straightforward styling makes it ideal for daily city rides and rural roads alike. Engine and performance. Powered by a 97.2 cubic centimeters air-cooled engine, the HF Deluxe delivers smooth and dependable performance. It's tuned for daily commuting, offering a balanced ride with low maintenance and consistent power delivery. Mileage and comfort. Mileage is where the HF Deluxe truly shines. With excellent fuel efficiency and a soft suspension setup, it ensures a comfortable and cost-effective ride, even on longer daily routes. Features and safety. The bike comes with essential features like i3S start-stop technology, reliable drum brakes, and sturdy build quality, focusing on practicality and rider convenience. Final verdict. The Hero HF Deluxe is a perfect choice for riders looking for an affordable, fuel-efficient, and reliable commuter motorcycle. Simple, strong, and economical, a true everyday partner from Hero.